Okay, hey everyone, tomato video, just strictly to show off my tomatoes because I don't know if you guys seen me build these beds, but here's the end final result. It is September the 19th today. I probably won't post this for, I'm sure, another week because I'm so slow at being organized, but here we go. Look at this. So there are, I think there's there's 3 plants in here. 3 tomato plants. Look at that. Look at that. Isn't that crazy? Ha ha. Okay, and I've probably already picked off, let's say, I don't know, 6 or 7. A couple did go moldy, maybe because of my watering technique here. You can see my just kind of hosing it. Look at them. There's another one over there. Okay, and here's another one. These are like the biggest fucking tomatoes I've ever grown in my life, right? Look at that. Look at that. Whoa, almost fell over. Oh, look at that beast. I almost knocked this whole thing over. Huh? It was just held here by this flimsy little stick. I also had to get, look at those, had to get creative. Oh, this is a bad guy. I'm gonna take him off. So I just had to show this because this is probably done in the next few days here. But like, isn't that amazing? It just goes on and on. Look. Look. Oh, and then, okay, last side. Here's one. I think that there is 1, 2, 3. There's 4 in here. Okay, so I showed you that dusty, musty greenhouse. My dusty, musty greenhouse did not make near the amount of fruit that these outside tomatoes are. So we're on the west coast. It's usually pretty damp here, but Canada's had a killer. And yeah, all that natural compost, that's what I think did it. So yeah, I just wanted to show this off. Yay me, yay, I'm pretty excited. I'm gonna have to make some salsa. Just chewed off a whole pile of work from myself, right? That's all right. So I'll try to make the video where I don't know, I'll probably do salsa. I can't see what else. Sometimes I don't usually do the canning of the tomatoes because you can still buy those fairly cheap. So that's it. Here's what it looks like from behind. Isn't that nuts? And here's this crazy acorn squash. And that made 8. One plant made 8 fruits. So yeah, don't throw out that kitchen compost. Definitely don't throw out that kitchen compost. Isn't that nuts? Yeah. All right, well, happy September. I had the day off anyway, so this is what's up. It's not a day off. Homesteading, there's no days off. Just work.